Hey guys, welcome back to robotic learning in ASLIS. So here's a new way to go and confirm about ASLIS robotics. Let's go. First, your tutorials. So here it is. Number 1, you're gonna power switch. You're gonna build a block for your own thing, and then you actually have connected with it, and then you connect it with the eyes and the mouth, and you connect it with the wheels. You can turn anything into a deer or a horse or a frog, but you can turn it into any other animals you like to, or you can turn it into any other animals you like to. But let's get started. So here, let's power switch the on to button. So it will be like dun dun dun. So now let's start here. First, you need to go right there, press the let button. And then go back to the upper. See, that's how it moves. Then you go back to the right side. And then next up, if you turn it to the right side and hit the car, then you can go back. It's the easiest way to do that. Or you can make it turn front by the sides. You can make it turn back and go ahead in front, and then you go back and swipe, 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 and now you have your ASLIS robot. Now you're gonna do next you're gonna do is to go ahead and choose A button, choose B button. Just going to hit directly as if you can. Ooh, ASLIS robot is doing it. See? You got it. It's ASLIS robot. Oh, it's not working. You gotta click on the A stop button. And then you turn it around and stop from the same direction. And go to C button. And that's how it moves. When your ASLIS robotic moves, you gotta go ahead and make the robotic move directly. And when you stop the button, click A. When you gotta go ahead and click numbers, you're gonna make your music if you want to. For this, let's go to the next step. For the next step, you gotta go ahead and click on A, and click B, and click C. And that's how you do it. And stop. And then you're going to go on. Like we did first step. You're going to go ahead and move it. And right there. Let's go to our last step. And our last step, we like to call it an ASLIS robot. You're going to choose this is so cool. You can make your own music if you